I'm here at CDH today as part of a 4-day human rights advocacy training program. We're training young human rights advocates to provide the best possible representation for their poor and their vulnerable clients.
We're basically taking those skills that we use to train our bar students in the UK, condensing them into a 1-week program, following a set of papers around the issue of statelessness. And it's a rigorous form of training, so it's demanding on all those who participate.
I've been very lucky to spend some time training attorneys and barristers in South Africa too. I'm really excited about this new partnership that we have with CDH and Lawyers for Human Rights. It's a great partnership for the University of Hertfordshire.
Our objective is to better build and equip some future lawyers to carry on and inspire them indeed to be doing meaningful human rights and pro bono work.
It's been so great to get the wealth and depth of knowledge from both Simone and Stuart in such an engaging and practical way that I know would be able to be applied quite quickly. We could probably do a bail hearing next week.
This training has been great to equip us as litigators in sharpening our communication skills.